abavubuka kimanyi wegomba nnyo kuleedeza empanvu bw'onyumya n'omugaga n'atumya soda nga naawe obayita ati bampe kasidone soka weebuuze nti oli anywedde kasoda ayimiridde atya kwetonywa kabampaani okunywa si kibi obulamu kyekikulu emyesawo yo n'ekyalwagala olubuto yagala olengeremu mu maaso gy'ogenda weetegekere ng'okyayina amaanyi.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for supporting us. We don't take it for granted. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Erina from Rin Local Poultry Farm, and we are located here in Entebbe of Abaita Road. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, telling us which country you're commenting from. Please don't forget to share to your loved ones. God bless you all. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to start your farm with little money and be successful in local poultry farming. I'll be highlighting some few points that you need to know before you start your poultry farm. For example, make sure that you have enough knowledge to farm effectively. Don't do those trainings that you're supposed to first take before you start your own farm. For example, here we train at a fee of just 50,000. You may do the training with only a 50,000 and you lose millions of money when you engage in this business without any training. So, endeavor to go for training so that you start something that you have the knowledge. That you have the knowledge very well. You can also start with what you have, using the local materials to construct a poultry coop or house. Don't invest too much money on structures. Chickens can stay anywhere as long as they are comfortable, with the coop well ventilated and the shell and the roof not leaking. And the other thing, get your breed from a trusted source. Get your breed from a trusted source. Don't just go anywhere and pick a breed. You'll get problems. They might not grow, and along the way they will die, and you make a loss at your farm. And when you get that breed, stick to it. If you've started with the local breed, stick to that local breed. Don't bring in more birds like layers or broilers and you rear them at once, because you will not know which one is making you make losses or profits. For example, as your farm grows, you can be able to construct a coop that you want and how you want your farm to grow. As you expand, make sure that the ventilation is good, without leaving predators like rats or birds, snakes to get inside the chicken coop. Another thing is that make sure that you have all the necessities on your farm. You do all the work by yourself if possible, because some workers mishandle the birds. And if you have workers and you don't have time to be at your farm, you can first take them for training so that they handle those birds properly and you don't make losses at the farm. Another thing you should consider is your ability and potential. That is, if you have to start small and along the way you expand, please do that. You don't have to start with a very huge number. That will keep you frustrated along the way. Even if you start with a small number with these local birds, within some few months, you'll be able to enlarge or expand. And you have to be passionate about it and look for cheaper feeders and drinkers, so that you don't spend a lot of money. You can also use jerry cans as your feeders or drinkers. And when you get money, you buy the ones which are fancy for your birds. Make sure the structure is always clean to avoid diseases like coccidiosis. After feeding your chickens, you remove the feeders, clean them properly, and before you put water, clean the drinkers. Then make sure that you make sure that after starting, feed your chickens with quality feeds so that they grow well. Don't compromise the feeding, because if you do so, you will be cheating yourself. Your birds will not grow well, and by the time you hit the market, you will not get good money from the market. So give them feeds that are of good quality. Let me hope that you have learned something and you'll be able to start with the less capital that you have. Thank you so much for watching us, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you so much. May God bless you, and let's meet in the next video. If you need any of our products, please don't hesitate to call us. Our number is 0763 791 448. We are located here in Entebbe, off Abaita Baby Road. We have 1-day-old chicks, and we sell them at 3,500. 1 month old at 9,000. Mature hens and cocks. Please don't hesitate to call us. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye for now.